Hi, today I'll show you how an app called Media Creation Tool works. Created by Microsoft, Media Creation Tool can help you easily create an installation file for Windows 11. This app takes a straightforward approach, allowing you to have your Windows 11 distribution package ready in minutes. It actually consists of a wizard that walks you through all the necessary steps, making the whole process a matter of pressing a few next buttons. To use it, your PC must be connected to the internet, as all installation files are downloaded from Microsoft. As you can imagine, its speed largely depends on the reliability of your internet connection. Downloaded files can be sent to a USB flash drive, but keep in mind that at least 8 GB of free space is required and that any information stored on the USB drive will be overwritten in the process. Alternatively, the app can generate an ISO image and save it to your PC. You can then use a burner to create a DVD containing the Windows distribution files. Media Creation Tool is useful in situations where you want to try or reinstall Windows 11 on your PC and you don't have installation media. With its help, you can create a bootable disk or ISO image to easily deploy Windows 11. See you next video, and now some music.